Dreaming of owning your penthouse property here in Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City?
With an unobstructed and stunning view like this?
Hi guys, I'm your Megaworld agent Vince Ong, and for this video, I'm going to show you around this 3-bedroom penthouse in Park McKinley West worth 89 million pesos. Right now, I'll be showing you the 3-bedroom penthouse here in Park McKinley West. So the size of this one is 212 square meter and this unit faces east. Morning sun yung view natin, we have the greeneries and Antipolo Mountains. So check natin. So upon turnover, this unit will be delivered with digital lock set. So keycard access siya. You can access this to fingerprint, PIN, or a mechanical key. And over this part, we have the main breaker of the unit and meron din tayong video intercom to the lobby. So if we have guests, visitors, makikita natin sila but they cannot see us. And this is your living area. Kasya dito, 6 to 8 seater na sofa. And you have floor-to-ceiling window glass with the view of morning sun, greeneries, and Antipolo Mountains. Maganda dito sa unit natin, it already comes with 2 split-type inverter aircon just for this space. And on this part would be your dining area. So pwede rin kayo dito maglagay ng mga paintings just to elevate the space. And what I like about this penthouse unit is that this kitchen has an island. So open kitchen concept tayo. So while you're cooking, you're preparing your meals, you can entertain your family or friends or your visitors. So what you see on this kitchen is what you'll be getting upon turnover. Etong granite countertop natin, we have sink and faucet, we have a built-in oven, 4-zone cooktop, and range hood from Ariston. So as you can see, marami tayong kitchen cabinets for your pantry. And on this part would be your provision for the fridge. And if hindi pa enough yung kitchen cabinet sa inyo, we also have a service room or utility room over here. So meron tayong extra storage, may sink and faucet din tayo, and this would be your provision for the washer-dryer area. We also have a maid's room or extra room na may sariling toilet and bath. Did you know that Park McKinley West will have its own bi-level mall called The Shops? So one elevator away, you can shop, dine, and do your groceries. Location-wise, we are neighboring the Billionaires Row, which is Forbes Park, Manila Polo Club, and Dasmariñas Village, and we're just few minutes away to BGC and to the airport. So lahat ng kailangan nyo, andito na in Park McKinley West. Going back, this hallway leads us to other rooms and to our bedrooms. Tara, check natin to. On this part, you would be having your storage room. And meron din tayong powder room for this 3-bedroom penthouse. So our sanitary fittings are by Villeroy & Boch. Over here would be your first bedroom. Kasama na dito yung inverter split-type aircon. You also have floor-to-ceiling windows and meron na tayong modular closet. So it's very spacious. And ang maganda dito, naka-ensuite yung toilet and bath natin. So this is the common toilet and bath. It is going to be motion sensor and everything here is by Villeroy & Boch. Kasama na yung mirror, lavatory, water closet, and rain shower. Yan. Meron din tayong window for natural ventilation. On this part, meron tayong extra storage ulit. So, pwede nyo lagyan ng mga luggage or any other na panggagamitan nyo. And beside that one would be the bedroom 2. Bedroom 2, same finishes with the bedroom 1. Meron tayong floor-to-ceiling windows with good views as well of morning sun, Antipolo Mountains, and the greeneries.
For the bed size, you can put a full double.
Condenser natin nasa labas. one good reason to have balcony. Meron din tayong modular closet and an access also to the common toilet and bath. Last but not least, the master bedroom.
Very grand where you can fit a king-size bed.
Same finishing tayo. We have ceramic plank for the flooring, floor-to-ceiling window glass with good view, split-type inverter aircon, and the best part is meron tayong walk-in closet over here. So marami siyang space and you can even add more. Yan. And we also have our own master toilet and bath, complete with sanitary fittings by Vilroy and Bock. We have his and her sink, very large mirror. Meron tayong bathtub, also from Vilroy and Bock, rain shower, water closet, and bidet. And that's it for the 3-bedroom penthouse unit tour here in Park McKinley West. Nagustuhan niyo ba yung unit? If nagustuhan niyo yung unit, baka mas magustuhan yung promo. So from 89 million down to 66 million, payable in 3 months at 0% interest. We also offer rent-to-own terms, payable in 36 months, and you can reserve this unit for only 60,000 pesos. So to know more, schedule a visit today. With Megaworld agent Vince Ong, I'll be happy to assist you. My contact details are down below. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!